Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So today I actually managed to get my hands on a Galaxy S9. Not to review, but kind of just play with it. Um, I was only able to maybe play with it for, a couple minutes, but overall, I just made some quick decisions on it, and I just kind of wanted to share my thoughts on it now that I actually was able to play with it, a couple weeks, like 2 weeks before launch. And I kind of want to give my thoughts between that and the 8. So yeah, as you can see, the Galaxy S9, they actually have it on Boost Mobile's website now, at least promoting it. So as you can see, the Galaxy S9, the camera reimagined, shoot like a pro. Now the dual cameras is only on the Plus version. So if you have the regular version, it only has one camera. It still has pretty good lighting and everything, slow-mo and all that nice stuff. So it does have the dual aperture, so brilliant in the dark. Our dual aperture f2.4 to f1.5 lens adjusts to let more light in when needed. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, here's the difference. So in the darker areas you'll get the 1.5, and then when there's a lot more lighting you can get the 2.4 mode. The one thing that I was able to play with, guys, was the radical 960 frames per second super slow-mo, and it is really slow-mo. Like, it's pretty cool. It's this, they have this in the display, you'll see later in the video, they actually have these cars in a track and they're spinning really quick. So then you activate the slow-mo and you can see it's spinning real quick, and then it'll go into slow-mo and it's just going so slow. It's very cool. I also was able to try the Animoji, not even the Animoji, look at me thinking about Apple, what's this called? The AR emoji. Basically, that was a slip up on my end. The Animoji, of course, that's Apple. Well, the AR emoji is Samsung's. Now, personally, I think it's creepy. Like, it did a good job of capturing my face and some of my facial features, especially like my little mustache and beard. But overall, it's just creepy. It's just smiling. Look at you. It's just smiling at you. I don't know. I think it's creepy. Like, I don't know. I was kind of freaked out on it. Now, it does do a very good job, of course, capturing your face. So just like that emoji on Apple, if you open your mouth, it'll open its mouth, and it does a good job. There's no lag whatsoever. I do give them that. You can also customize your own character to your liking. So, if I have spiky hair that day, I can do spiky hair. Also lets you record up to, I believe, 15 stickers you can make on your emoji. And then you can kind of gifts and you can send them. So living up your chats using AR emoji stickers and videos. So it's pretty cool. You make videos of yourself, you'd be like, yo mom, I'll be home at 5. AR emoji, whatever. And send it. Sorry about that, guys. It's my fault. Now, the one thing that I do have to say, and let me not move on so quick with this. With the AR emoji, guys, it's pretty cool that you can be other things. So if you want to be like an Easter bunny, you can be a freaking Easter bunny. I saw that was pretty cool. It's kind of like Apple's version of it, where you can be like the poop emoji and all that stuff. It's kind of the same thing, but you're not an emoji. You're actually like I said, an Easter bunny or something like that. It's pretty cool. Now, this is, I think, the highlight of this phone, and what I like the most, next to the slow-mo camera and the dual aperture and all that stuff, is the stereo speakers. They're not kidding when they're saying they're dual speakers. So stereo speakers, clear surround sound. Stereo speakers Pro tuned by 8kg brings you clearer and louder sound. So experience surround sound with Dolby Atmos, putting you at the center of the action. Guys, this really, I played some music on it, and you can definitely tell the difference on it. It's like day and night. Those dual speakers, I even, put my ear next to both of them, one on the bottom, one on the top. They're both playing, and just overall it sounded a lot better. So if you're watching YouTube videos like this one, or music or anything like that, it's gonna sound amazing. Of course, then you have the water resistant splash, unlock with the look, and of course, intelligent scan makes it a lot better, especially with the AR emoji. Fast charging is another thing that, of course, 8 has. Another upgrade from the 8 is that you do go from, I believe, 256 gigabyte that you can put on the 8 up to a 400 gigabyte. So get over 6 times more storage with a 400 gigabyte micro SD card, which is freaking crazy. Now, there's not much difference, honestly, between the 8 and the 9. Of course, the camera got better, of course. That's the main thing that Samsung is always promoting, is the camera. Of course, it looks amazing, and it does nice with that slow-mo and dual aperture and all that stuff. It makes a difference, honestly. I give it that. Also, the speakers, another thing. But honestly, the 8 and the 9, there's not, at least price-wise, not much different. That's why I would say I would definitely recommend a 9 right now. Let me show you some pricing real quick. So as you can see, Boost Mobile here on Best Buy, it's going to be $700, which is cheap, guys. You're not going to find this anywhere else. Right now, it's $700. Most postpaid carriers like Verizon, they'll have it almost like $800, like $750 or something like that. Here's the 8, which is I'm not dogging the 8 at all. I want to get the 8, but it has to be cheaper than this. Of course, I'll probably get the 9, but if this goes to maybe $499, I'd get it. Right now, it's at $600, basically $599.99. You're only saving $50. But if you go on Boost's website, you can see it's a little bit cheaper. So Boost, of course, has it cheaper, especially with the $100 off at $550. So you're saving quite a bit, like $150 right out the bat. But honestly, for $150 more, I would go ahead and just purchase the 9. I mean, I don't know. But overall, like I said, with my time playing with it, and of course this footage that I'll show you after this video is not the full amount. I just recorded that so you guys can see it, and it's pretty cool, like I said. It's another thing about it is it's a lot wider. Just a regular 9 compared to the regular 8, it's a lot wider. Like I said, speakers was definitely an improvement. I would probably get it just for that. Because I love listening to music, watching videos, all that stuff. And of course the camera. The AR emoji is not, a deal breaker for me. It's pretty cool, but I wouldn't say, oh my god, get it just because of this. And like I said, it's creepy. When I made my character, my guy was just smiling like crazy, like he was a Joker, like he was just committed a freaking murder or something. I'm like, oh my god, my AR emoji. No, I gotta delete this boy. But yeah, that's my take on it, guys. Let me know what you think. Are you excited for the 9? Like I said, I most likely will get the 9. Now, if the 8 dropped far enough to maybe, like I said, $499, I might as well get the 8. It's still a really good for, if it drops down to 400, it's going to be a steal. So, if not, well, the 9, here we come. So, let me know what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And like I said, I'll show you the footage of me kind of playing with it so you can see it. It's pretty cool, So, yeah. Thank you.